Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. I am just getting up. I am still like swollen and puffy, so please excuse my appearance. It is going to be a long day. I have a long day ahead. I have to work out and film and cook, so you guys get to see what I'm going to eat throughout the day. I feel like my weight loss journey has been a success because I don't really restrict myself too much. I still eat food, you know, like I just don't allow myself to have any junk, any processed food, processed sugars, anything like that, you know. And I just want to point out, like, the stuff that I do eat throughout the day, they're super easy to prep and it's healthy. It's a healthy choice. This is what works for me. I've been active for 2 years now at the gym and I've been keeping my weight off. I just allow myself to enjoy life, you know. Like, you can't just put too much restrictions, like, oh my god, no carbs, no sugar, no this, no that. Like, is that really reality of a American? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm ready to start my day. I'm ready to work out, but first I need to eat my breakfast, so let's head to the kitchen. Of course, in the mornings, I've always got to have some coffee on deck, like always. But I always make sure I drink some water first. So always make sure you drink your water and then enjoy some coffee. So I'm about to prep my eggs. I like to eat brown eggs as opposed to the white ones. On my eggs, I like to have like peppers and onions and some spinach. So I'm just gonna cut that up and prep my eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to the pan. Alright, so breakfast is done. I'm ready to eat. This is what I basically have every morning: eggs, toast, and some coffee. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. That's why I look like crap, so please excuse me. I just finished walking 6 blocks with some heavy groceries, so like everything hurts right now. I'm so hot, I'm so sweaty, and I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to make. I normally eat leftovers from dinner, but today I just bought myself a grilled chicken wrap and I'm going to make myself a smoothie. So I'm just gonna make something very quick, simple, and easy because your girl is hungry. So I'm going to have a grilled chicken wrap. It has peppers, onions, lettuce, and avocado. And I'm going to have it with a smoothie. This is banana and blueberries with almond milk. Yo, I went in. I was so hungry and mad thirsty. Okay, so I'm back. I know, I look so different. I just finished filming a video and now I have to prep dinner. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that it's really nice outside, so instead of me using my oven, I'm gonna use the grill and sweat my ass off. So I probably will take off this makeup. I'm gonna make some grilled chicken and I gotta figure out what side do I want. Do I want rice or do I want baked potatoes? I'm not sure yet. I'll probably text my husband and see what he's in the mood for. So let me prep this chicken. Okay, so I know this looks like a lot of chicken, but I am prepping for dinner and for lunch tomorrow. That way I have lunch, my husband has lunch, and you know, there's enough chicken. I'm gonna prep this and I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I do. I like to add a little bit of this sauce here. I really like this. A lot of Latinos call this sofrito. Some people call it sazon, whatever you wanna call it. But it's basically a mix of peppers, onions, cilantro, picante. There's a lot of stuff in this, so it's really good and I like to throw this on my foods. Okay, so I'm going to make some roasted potatoes because that's what we agreed for. And how you do it is I'm just going to cut this in half and then cut it in smaller pieces. Okay, so I have some romaine lettuce and I'm going to make my own dressing. I actually don't like any dressing from the supermarket. I think that they're terrible and they're filled with like artificial ingredients and it's just a lot of crap that you just don't want to put in your body. So I like to put a mixture of olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and some salt. That's it. It's so simple, so plain. Sometimes I make an avocado dressing and it's pretty much the same thing except for the vinegar. You just take avocado, you mash it together, throw a little bit of olive oil and some salt and a tiny bit of water. You add a little bit of cilantro. Oh my God, you got yourself a banging dressing and you are very welcome. Hey guys. Oh my God, I look so crazy. I probably look so crazy throughout this whole entire video and I'm so sorry. This is real life. My hair frizzed up on me. I was sweating so much. I had a really long day. I worked out, I filmed, I did laundry, I cooked. So I'm pretty dead. I am not gonna eat for the rest of the day. Like, I'm good, you know. It's pretty late too. It's 11 o'clock. So yeah, I'm about to actually go to bed soon and just relax for the rest of the night, and then that's it. So I really don't want to do my outro with me looking like this, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys, and please forgive me for this. Bye.